Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of electric bike enthusiasts. Today, we're going to be talking about the electric bike kit 36V48 V250W 350W 500W Ebike Electric Bicycle Kit. This kit is perfect for anyone looking to convert their traditional bike into an electric bike. Before we dive into the details of this amazing kit, I just want to remind you to avoid choosing the wrong size or model so that your purchase is exactly what you're looking for. Also, make sure to confirm whether you need the batteryless kit or the motor wheel before making your purchase. And once you've confirmed your order, don't forget to leave us a message with the model number of your choice. Now, let's get into what you'll be getting with this kit. The packing list includes the motor wheel available in various options, a display LED or LCD, a controller box, a waterproof main cable, and a throttle. Choose from thumb, half twist, or full twist. If you don't leave a message with your order, don't worry, we'll choose the brake lever and thumb throttle for you. One of the best features of this kit is that the rear motor can fit 6-speed and 7-speed freewheels, giving you plenty of options for customization. And if you need any further convincing, just take a look at our buyer show photos. This kit has been a game changer for so many people, so if you're ready to take your biking experience to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the electric bike kit 36V48 V250W 350W 500W Ebike Electric Bicycle Kit. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your bike into an electric powerhouse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.